Welcome back, guys. I'm Steve, and today we are in the tech room, your trusty companion for all things tech. Whether you're a tech enthusiast looking for the latest innovations or a casual user seeking honest reviews, you've come to the right place. Join us as we dive deep into the realm of gadgets, gaming consoles, PCs, and more. In this video, we will be walking you through the best PC air dusters in 2026. If there's one thing tech folks never seem to have enough of, it's a good air duster. These days, cleaning your PC feels less like a chore and more like a small ritual. With that in mind, here are some of the best options that can help keep your setup feeling fresh. To help you further, there are timestamps and direct links to all the products in the description below. It's worth noting that the prices can change from time to time, so again, be sure to take a close look at the direct links for the updated price tags. On top of that, be sure to take a look at our landing page in the description for the complete list of all our products featured. So, let's get started. The fifth air duster on our list is Rosewill RHAD-25002. Priced at $34.99, which we have awarded a 5-badge rating. It's hitting 120,000 RPM, which is pretty wild for the price point. What I really like is the 3-gear adjustable speed, because you can go gentle on sensitive components or crank it up for those stubborn dust bunnies in your GPU fans. The battery situation is solid too. Dual 2,500 mAh cells, giving you around 240 minutes on the lowest setting, which is way more than enough for a full PC cleaning session. It charges via USB-C in about 3.5 hours, so that's convenient. At 0.48 pounds, it's super light and portable. Now, the build quality feels decent for the price. Nothing premium, but it's not flimsy either. I tested it on my gaming rig and it cleared out all the dust from the radiator fins and between keyboard keys without any issues. The airflow is strong enough to make a real difference, but not so aggressive that it'll damage anything. While it works great for regular maintenance, it's not quite as precise as canned air for those super tight spots. Our team recommends this for those who clean their PC regularly and want to save money long term. The fourth air duster on our list is the Rosewill RHAD-25001, priced at $34.99, which we have awarded a 5-badge rating. It's basically the little brother of the 25,002, running at 110,000 revolutions per minute instead of 120K. Same dual 2,500 mAh battery setup with USB-C, charging in 3.5 hours, and it comes with these same 4 nozzle attachments. Where it differs is the weight. This one's 0.45 pounds, so a tiny bit lighter, and it pumps out 120 watts compared to the 25,002's 220 watts. That wattage difference translates to a wind speed of 45 meters per second with 150 grams of blowing force. In real-world testing, the power difference is noticeable when you're dealing with heavily caked dust, but for regular maintenance every few weeks, it's totally fine. The 3 speed settings give you good control, and on the lowest setting, you're still getting enough airflow to clear most dust without making a racket. Now, the downsides are pretty much identical to the 25,002. The nozzles feel plasticky and cheap. They work but don't inspire confidence. The trade-off here is less power for slightly better portability. Our team recommends this for those who maintain their gear regularly and prefer something a bit lighter to handle. The third air duster on our list is the Rosewill RHAD-25003, priced at $59.99, which we have awarded a 5-badge rating. This one cranks up to 130,000 revolutions per minute with 200 watts of power and 190 grams of blowing force, which is the highest in the lineup. But the real standout feature is the 4-gear adjustable speed with a dedicated turbo mode, giving you way more granular control than the 3-speed models. The battery is a beast too, dual 4,000 mAh battery cells for a total of 8,000 mAh, which in my testing gave me about 45 minutes of continuous use on medium speed before needing a recharge. It comes with 5 nozzles instead of 4, including one specifically designed for inflation tasks. And yes, this thing can actually double as a vacuum with suction capability. I tested the suction feature, and honestly, It's pretty weak, good for picking up loose dust particles, but don't expect it to replace a real vacuum. Weight comes in at 0.64 pounds, so it's the heaviest of the three, but still totally manageable. The build quality feels noticeably better, more solid plastic, and the buttons have a better tactile feel. The turbo mode is seriously loud, which is normal, but just keep that in mind if you're noise sensitive. Our team recommends this for professionals who clean multiple systems regularly. The 25003 is worth it for the battery capacity and extra power. The second air duster on our list is the WOLFBOX DF100B, priced at $62.99, which we have awarded a 5 badge rating. This one boasts 150,000 revolutions per minute and a motor that hits 60 meters per second wind speed, which is significantly faster than the Rosewill models. It's got the same 3-speed adjustable setup, but what sets it apart is the 6,000 mAh battery that charges in just 2.5 hours via USB-C and gives you up to 100 minutes of runtime on low speed. It comes with 5 nozzles and 2 brush attachments, plus it has inflation capabilities like blowing up air mattresses in about 7 seconds, which is actually pretty impressive. The build quality is a step up from the Rosewills, feels more premium in hand at 0.66 pounds. I tested this on my workstation and some client builds, and the raw power is noticeable, especially when you've got dust packed into heatsink fins or between tight spaces. But here's the thing, that 150 kRPM can actually be too much for delicate components if you're not careful. The lowest speed is still pretty aggressive compared to the Rosewill units. Battery life is solid, but not as impressive as the RHAD-25003's 8,000 mAh. The inflation feature actually works well for camping gear and pool floats, so if you need that versatility, it's a nice bonus. One thing you should know, the lowest speed is still pretty aggressive and might be too strong for sensitive electronics. Our team recommends this for those who need maximum power for professional use, or if you clean a lot of heavily soiled equipment. The best air duster on our list is the WOLFBOX MF100, priced at $79.99, which we have awarded a 5 badge rating. This is nearly identical to the DF100B. Same 150,000 revolutions per minute motor, same 6,000 mAh battery with 2.5-hour USB-C fast charging, same 100 minutes of runtime on low speed, and the same 5 nozzles plus 2 brush attachments. The main difference, from what I can tell, is just the model designation and maybe some minor cosmetic variations in color options. You're getting 45 meters per second wind speed, around 70 cubic feet per minute airflow at its peak setting, with 3 adjustable speeds, inflation capabilities that can blow up an air mattress in 7 seconds, and the premium build quality at 0.66 pounds. In my testing, it performed identically to the DF100B. The raw cleaning power is impressive for heavily soiled components. The fast charging is convenient. The inflation feature works great for camping and outdoor gear if that's something you need. Now, this one's a bit more expensive, considering it has no major upgrades from the previous model. Our team recommends this for professional cleaning work and outdoor activities. And there you have it, folks, the best PC air dusters in 2026. If you liked this video and it helped you in any way, please do give it a like and hit the subscribe button. If you have a question or a product you want us to review, be sure to drop your recommendations in the comments below. Until next time, this is Steve signing off, reminding you to stay connected and updated with all of our research into everything that makes our tech rooms great.